Hi everyone, how you going? I thought today I would try this color combination. I have no idea how it's going to work out, so let's just see. But before I begin, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. And please like, subscribe, comment, share if you're enjoying what you're watching. And stick around to the end because I do have a surprise for you. But in the meantime, let's just get started. So the paints I'm using are a mild green, a gold, and a light purple. Set. I think I'm going to just sort of I'm going to do this as a big ring pour. I'm going to just put paint around the edge of, yeah, that looks so nice. It's funny, you always get bits that just don't want to go. So before I use up all my paint, I'm just closing up some of these gaps. Right, what was I doing? Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Gosh, that's really pretty. We sort of lost the purple, which is probably the I like the most. But I still like the lime green and gold. I'm not unhappy with it. I think it looks really pretty. Try and show you the sides. Like that's a really nice bit there. That looks lovely. So all in all, still looks good. Improvements. I think you needed a stronger color. You know, I've used the lime green and the purple. They looked beautiful in the cup, but I think you might have needed to punch it out with a different, so like the lime green, the gold, and a red or something like that, I think would have really made it a strong color scheme. Oh yeah, but what we do need to do now is just wipe our bauble stick, because I don't want that pattern to change much more than where it's at now. I think it looks nice. I just want to make sure my bauble is straight. Yep, it's looking good. So I just wanted to show you the results of this bauble. It hasn't actually poured as nicely as I'd hoped. Well, the green and the gold is still quite pretty. Like, you know, you've got the gold there. So the green and the gold is pretty, but the lilac has actually turned out to be quite insipid. You know, so I mean, it's still pretty from the top, still pretty from the bottom. But I think, you know, when you consider there's sort of more vibrant colors we can like to choose from. You know, imagine that with a red there, or even the sort of magenta or something. It might have been a little bit prettier. And unfortunately, when I was varnishing it, I kind of mucked it up. I knocked the varnish with my finger when it was still wet. Oh, my dirty finger. And I pulled off paint. So I'll definitely have to re-pour this bauble. So quite nice, but not stunning. Surprise at the beginning. I do have a Bauble e-course if you're interested in learning more, or you know, and in that I go through everything on how to set up your baubles, the whole lot. I've included the link below. But, you know, thanks very much for watching. And if you're enjoying my channel, please like, subscribe. It really helps. It costs you nothing to subscribe. It really helps you know, with views, with YouTube. They love it when people subscribe, and then they'll also, you know, or if you like, it just helps YouTube to know that my channel has got content that people are enjoying watching. So I appreciate it. Thank you.